I'm making a microphone out of salvaged parts. This thing will go on the headphones, it will be glued on. Then the microphone will be mounted on this jack, on these two thicker wires, like that. I already held them together with some rubber tubing insulation. And the microphone, which is this little guy, this will go into this silicone rubbery thing. It's from a CD-ROM drive. It will go inside, and two flexible wires will connect to the two thick wires. Like a black one will connect to there, and it should look something like this in the end, with the wires going in, and this will be near my face, near my mouth, to capture what comes out. Oh yes. So I don't know how this will turn out, but I will put it together and try it out later. So here's one more piece of that rubber tubing to hold these two wires together. Let me try and put it on. Yes, it flexes and goes on. I think 3 will be enough. Get on there like that. I can move them later. It's for aesthetics. Yes, this red tube will go on the plug. Once it's soldered, it will cover it, hopefully. So I have to put this on the wires also to pull it back later. Okay, like that. What am I missing? Ah, that's it. So let me start somewhere. Get this microphone out. I think I'll solder it to the plug first. Maybe I have to cut this or something. Or it's good, but I'll remove a bit of insulation. It's good if it's flat, because it will fit better into the red tube, which will cover the plug. Okay. So I cut away a bit of the insulation. Come on. Okay. Put some solder on. Yes, some smoke. Maybe it's too much solder, but I can cut it off later. And this should be fine. Some solder on the red wire. Yes. No, it's fine. So, I said something about being flat. I did, didn't I? So let me make this flat, as it should be. Like that. Focus. Focus. Focus? Nope. No focus. That's it. So, This plug was harvested from a headphone microphone combo, and as you can see, the left and the right are soldered together with a small piece of wire. This is the case for most single channel microphones which are not stereo. So let me just solder this here. Let me put this inside here so I don't burn myself, and come at it in a different angle so I can maybe press it too. Like that. Okay. Oh yes, my hands are stable. Perfect. Nah, I will cut that off. A part is sticking out there. I just cut it off, no problem. Yeah, whatever. Now the red connects to the left and right. Just pull it back a bit. Like that. Okay. Solder it. Nope. I have to heat up the plug too. This was bad. Now it's okay. So pull this on the plug, even though it's not ideal. Let me just squeeze it a bit. This black wire is too far. Come on. It's fine. Force solves everything. Yes, it's on. Mostly. Okay. Like that. And now solder these two thin wires to the microphone and to the thick wires. Strip it. Zoom out. Like that. Eventually I will cover it with something. I think I don't have the right thickness tubing, and gray would look stupid here. Whatever. It can be bare for now. Just the solder. So this part is okay. And let's cut some of the insulation here. Okay. So we have to take off these. I have no experience with microphones, but what I found out from looking at a couple of them is that one of the two poles is the grounding. As you can see, this one goes out to the metal part. There's a bit of circuit board here that goes out to the outer casing, so that should be the black and the grounding and blah blah blah. It will go back to the computer's grounding. and the other one is the active line. So I will connect them like that, like they designed it. Hey, come off. I said come off. Yes. And the other one. Ah! It fell. How embarrassing. I can't see it. Oh, got it. So let's solder on the wires. 2 minutes left on this camera. Then the video will stop. I will make another video with anything I missed and testing the microphone, maybe. What? Connect charger. Even better. That is so stupid. Oh